Let's just say some names. Let's just say some flow. I am the J. Yes, I want some more. Let me say some names. Let me say some flow. I am the J. Yes, I want some more. And I see the people here, they showing what they show. But still I'm talking about the lover up on my show. We showing love to the people and they showing back. Oh yes, I'm over here. They say, oh yes, I'm liking it. The butterflies is in the house, oh yes, I seen you. The passionately intrigued, arts and more is coming through. We also got the Kenneth Wilkinson, he doing up. But still I know his name is Priest because you know it's up. Say, hey, what is going? So going with my flow. Some other people looking and they looking for a show. The show that they vibe and the show that they ride. I see the people trying to go and over slip and slide. But still I got some more people that I wanna say. Send this over here and I'm doing it my way. So let's get it to that beat so we vibe on up. So everybody, yes I'm the J, so cut it up. Say, hey, when I say, so when I do, I'm over here today, I'm shouting out you. So when I say, so when I do, you know I wanna go and shout out you. 755, neither you're the LLC. Doing everything and put you up on a beat. Doing all that painting and you doing music too. Yes, I'm over here and I support what you do. When I see you grind and you shine. Shining over here, I'm looking up with my eye. Up with my eye and I'm also saying hi. People telling me, say you better not go and cry. So Destiny forever walk up PhD. Yes, she is the best person knowing with a D. Doing this and doing that, you doing every day. But still you got your mind right like every single way. Saying, hey, saying I want to show some love. So now I'm over here, I'm about to give some virtual hug. These hugs is coming from the J because that's what I do. Other people looking up, I say you keep it true. So now the rob again, saying, oh yes, what's up, Jay? I'm gonna put your name on a song today. Today the eyes are rocking and I rip. Some people's over there, they eating all potato chips. But still I would say, all I say is going on. So Rob all bang, put your name on a song. I know he's over there to talking about this bowling. People talking about, I said, oh yes, I love that bowling. But I would say, yo, this, so yes, I'm saying that. Other people looking up, oh yes, I roll on that. I'm rolling on that dag. Everybody want that check. But still I'm over there and I'm about to go break that. I'm breaking what I do, then what I do or what I say. Some other people looking up, oh yes, I do my way. My way, your way, that every way. So when I rock it up, let me mix it over here to when I'm about to shut you up. Let's go. Let's go though with that flow. Let's go.